Hi, YouTubers. How are you? Um, I just want to talk about today, what happened to me this morning. Um, I was actually reading on Facebook. It was just funny because I was reading on Facebook something that my cousin had put that he sold his iPhone 4S for, not 4S, I'm sorry, 4, iPhone 4 for $300 on eBay, and he was all excited because he had another iPhone that he wanted to sell, and then whatever. And then I was like, gee, what about if I sell my iPhone? Big mistake on thinking that, because I love the iPhone and I would not sell my iPhone on eBay or to anybody because I'm in love with it. So what happened is that when I went to get my phone, funny to say, my phone that was charged because it was full charge didn't want to turn on. It was just crazy. I was like, what the hell happened? Did my phone just like, are we connected or something? Because my phone did not work after I was thinking that. It was funny. But I was like, oh my God, no, why was I thinking that? My phone doesn't work. I just got it like 3 months ago. And my baby, my beautiful white, I always wanted this one. It's not working. I was like, no, it's not happening. So I said, okay, relax, calm down, Valentina. It's gonna come to life, or I don't know what's gonna happen. But so I was like, I drop off my kids, and I was playing with them. My husband was like, don't play with your phone, don't play with your phone. Wait until you get home. So I listened, and then when I got home, what I did is that I started like thinking, I have an iPod, and when you want to reboot the iPod, you have to press the button in the middle, I think, and just keep on pressing it. So I started reading, how to turn, how to do the same thing with the iPhone. And I found out that for you to actually get your phone to work again, you need to first of all, you need to charge your phone. And, when it's plugged in, you are going to, let me show you, plug it in, because everybody knows that. You're going to press this button, and you're going to press this middle button here. So you're going to press these two together and hold them. Hold them until, I think it's like 10 seconds or 15 long seconds. And you're going to see that the iPhone icon is going to come to your screen. When that happens, your phone is back to life. So you don't have to be crazy thinking, oh my God, I spent so much money, or oh my God, I'm not going to get an upgrade until 2 years and I have to get another phone now. I don't have money. No, do what I'm telling you, and hopefully it works. Okay, guys? So now I'm gonna go on my workout, and follow me and subscribe if you want to keep on seeing, like I said, my results on my everyday workout, because I want to get in shape. We all want to get in shape before summer comes. See ya.